Hey guys, this is Ken from Unparalleled Houston Homes, and today we are in Bel Air, the Leaf area. If you guys are not sure where that is, it's just located on the west side of Houston. Lots of things are happening out here, and today we're going to be talking about flood zones around Bel Air area. And the listing that I have just right here is absolutely fully remodeled. I want to show you guys what you guys can get for approximately $300,000 in this area. So if you guys want all the information, be sure to watch to the end of the video, hit the subscribe button, and let's go check it out now. Walk with me. So for this home, it's considered a patio home. It was built in 1982. And with homes like this, typically before you guys purchase a home this old, I would recommend to have an inspector come out, check the foundation, the electrical, the plumbing, the structure, the roof, all of that. Now, what I really like about this home is that it's really open concept. Because it's a patio home, they usually have these detached garage that have all this open space. And what I like to do is just, if I have a couple friends over, I pop a couple tables here, we can have a poker night. At the same time, you can have like a little festive activities out here. Over here, because it's a patio home, you're gonna have brick enclosing surrounding the home. And that's basically your neighbor's wall, but it's gonna be very cozy and it's gonna be very private at the same time. Now let's go check out the interior of the home now. So this is what $300,000 could get you in the Houston area. As you guys walk on in, you guys are gonna notice how open concept this home is with the vaulted ceiling. Everything in here has been redone. Now they have tile flooring right here, and it connects to this little breakfast area that what I would do is actually I will keep my office table around here so I can see the scenery. And the kitchen has been completely redone. Please excuse all the stuff right here. We're having an open house and we're almost officially open to invite guests in. We have brand new cabinets, shaker style, with the appliances all included as well. Quartz countertop, absolutely beautiful. So with this seller, they have 20 years of experience of building homes and remodeling homes. So the attention to detail here is really there. As we make our way over here, you're gonna have this nice wine area, wine bar. If you guys like to entertain, this is a really nice niche to have. And over here, we have the formal dining area where you can keep a long table here, round table, whatever fits your needs. For the back portion of the home, we have a guest bathroom right here, fully remodeled. I'm gonna drop some B-roll so you guys can check it out. The washer dryer, and then 2 bedrooms and the master bedroom. Now this home is 1,600 square feet-ish, priced at $180 per square feet. Yes, it's a little bit on the higher side considering the location, but with the attention to detail, the new roof, AC system, hot water heater and everything, it's truly something worth taking a look at. For the master bathroom right here, it's absolutely gorgeous. Probably a lot of people's dream master bathroom, just having the tiles going all the way up and having the new sink, tile throughout the entire home. It doesn't really get better than that. Now, if you guys were gonna buy a home in the Bel Air area, there's 3 things that you guys have to keep in mind. It's the flood zone. So there's 3 types of flood zone: AE, X500, and X. Typically, you want to purchase a home in the X flood zone because it's supposed to not flood at all, and you don't need to buy any flood insurance. Whereas X500, there's a 0.2% chance of flooding each year, and that's optional for us to buy flood insurance as well. I always recommend it if you guys are either buying in the AE or X500 zone. And for AE, you have a 1% chance of flooding each year, and that's required to be purchased if you guys do a loan. And if you guys buy a home with cash, it's not required at all, but I always recommend it. All right guys, so currently I'm looking at the map for flood zones, and there is 3 ways for us to check whether the home is in a flood zone. The first way would be to send the property address over to an insurance agent. That would be the best way to figure out on whether the home is in a flood zone or not. You can also look at the FEMA.government flood map, and that should be able to show you whether the home is in a flood zone or not. Finally is to have a realtor check out the flood map, and this is exactly what I'm looking at right here. In the Leaf area, once you kind of pass Sinot on Bel Air, you head deeper into Cook Road, you're gonna be going to flood zone territories. And if I zoom out the map real quick right here, you're gonna notice that all throughout Houston, they're gonna have certain areas that flood. Now, typically, flood zones will affect the pricing of the home, the chances of it getting rented out, and many other things. So it's something that you want to keep in the back of your mind if you guys are considering purchasing a home. So an important question to keep in mind is whether you should purchase a new home or an old home. For me personally, it really depends on the option. So I really advise you to talk to your realtor and explore the options for new homes and older construction, because quality nowadays is not where it used to be. You know how people always say they don't build things like they used to. So definitely keep that in mind. For me, if I was purchasing this home, I would definitely consider it though, because I know that the seller redid all the plumbing, electrical, brand new roof, HVAC system. Basically, everything is new. The only thing I would worry about is the foundation, but we can always check that with an inspection. So if you guys are planning on buying, selling, relocating, anything to do with real estate, feel free to hit us up. Our team would love to help out. And thank you guys so much for making it to the end of the video. Unparalleled Houston Homes,